5 common myths about robot vacuums cleared up. Robot vacuum myths fueled by outdated models and marketing hype can lead to poor choices. Key takeaways. More suction isn't always better. Design and filtration matter, pet-focused models handle shedding well, robots work beyond hard floors, models vary widely, and they supplement rather than replace deep cleaning. Suction figures are the number manufacturers love to advertise, but they tell only part of the story. Brush design, filtration, navigation, and consistent coverage matter just as much, so judge the robot's overall cleaning system rather than suction alone. This is partly true. Cheap, general-purpose robots can tangle and clog with pet hair, while pet-focused models use anti-tangle brushes, sealed dander filtration, and greater capacity to handle shedding effectively. Early robots struggled with carpets, but many modern models detect them and boost suction. Deep or high-pile carpets remain challenging, so performance depends on the model rather than all robots being equally capable. Robot vacuums may look similar, but navigation, mopping, filtration, and maintenance vary greatly. Matching features to your home matters more than choosing a single overall winner. A robot vacuum handles daily dust, crumbs, and hair, reducing deep cleaning frequency, but it can't move furniture, reach every corner, or deep clean carpets. It's best for floor maintenance, not complete cleaning. Robot vacuums are genuinely capable when matched to your floors, your pets, and your home, and genuinely disappointing when bought on a myth. Most robot vacuum myths come from either the clumsy early models or from marketing that oversells. Believe the myths, and you either miss out or buy the wrong one.
Go to GearBrain for more information.